tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Top 5, the go-to destination for the latest and greatest Top 5 series. Today we've got something extra special for you, a curated list of the top 5 tech gadgets that are making waves this year. From cutting-edge innovations to must-have devices, we've scoured the tech landscape to bring you the best of the best. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into a world of futuristic marvels. Without further ado, let's jump into our top 5 tech gadgets of 2024.
XReal Air 2 Ultra. Meet the XReal Air 2 Ultra, your affordable gateway into augmented reality, at just $700. Boasting a sleek titanium ring frame and a Wayfarer-inspired design, it's a stylish yet budget-friendly AR option. These glasses focus on spatial computing, featuring 3D environment sensors for real-time location tracking. Experience innovation with a spatial computing platform, a lightweight, thinner design, and enhanced brightness at 500 nits. Enjoy high-fidelity color reproduction with uniform calibration for accuracy. XReal Air 2 allow you to take the theatric experience everywhere. This marvel transform your gaming experience into new level with a 120Hz refresh rate. Designed for your wellness, the XReal Air 2 Ultra ensures a comfortable viewing experience with flicker-free, low blue light, and iComfort TD certification. Elevate your reality affordably with XReal Air 2 Ultra. CineBeam N1 Folding MicroLED TV. Behold the marvel of innovation, the CineBeam N1 Folding TV, a colossal 137-inch 4K wonder that transforms into art. Its adaptive gap calibration enhances brightness seamlessly. Priced at $220,000, it's a premium display of longevity. Delivers impeccable contrast, and true colors come to life with double the purity of conventional LEDs. This refined masterpiece seamlessly blends with classic and modern interiors, offering a versatile and immersive audiovisual experience. It's a true symbol of luxury and cutting-edge technology. LG CineBeam Cube 4K Projector. Dive into the cinematic world with LG CineBeam Cube, a sleek 4K projector designed as a stylish interior accessory. Its subtle low-profile design seamlessly blends with your decor, featuring a 360-degree rotatable handle for a modern touch. Weighing just 3.2 pounds, it offers not only style, but also impressive portability. Experience a massive 4K display of up to 120 inches anywhere in your home. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a powerhouse of innovation that's set to redefine your smartphone experience. Marvel at its stunning 6.8-inch flat display, boasting an incredible 2600 nit brightness and Corning Gorilla Armor for enhanced visibility even in direct sunlight. The titanium frame not only adds durability, but elevates the device to a new level of design marvel. Get ready for a photographic masterpiece with a groundbreaking camera system featuring a 200-megapixel rear camera, 50-megapixel quality camera with 5x optical zoom, and an ultra-wide 12-megapixel lens. The ProVisual engine, backed by AI processing, ensures industry-leading image quality, while the Space Zoom feature lets you capture stunning details even in low light. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor powers this marvel, delivering 30% faster CPU speeds, 25% faster graphics rendering, and groundbreaking on-device support for generative AI models. Immerse yourself in console-defying gaming experiences with support for hardware-accelerated ray tracing at up to 240 FPS. But that's not all. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a phone, it's your creative hub. The built-in S Pen on the new flat display allows you to write, tap, and navigate seamlessly, bringing back the legacy of the beloved Galaxy Note. The excitement doesn't stop there. Use the Circle to Search feature with the S Pen to effortlessly find what catches your eye on social media, and experience Live Translate for the easiest communication. Unleash new levels of creativity, productivity, and excitement with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, where cutting-edge technology meets a stunning design for the ultimate smartphone experience. Samsung's Ballie. Step into a world of innovation with Samsung's latest marvel, Ballie. Unveiled at CES 2024, this futuristic, soccer ball-like robot is not just a gadget, it's your personal AI companion. Imagine a home where Ballie autonomously handles tasks, projects visuals, and creates the perfect ambience. With advanced features, it learns your habits, providing personalized assistance and peace of mind with video updates. Ballie isn't just a robot, it's the exciting future of home assistance, making life effortlessly efficient and enjoyable.